Yo, my name is Harry and I want to teach you how to do the trumpet in just 1 minute. First, do this Tyler the Creator face. Then, leave a small hole on the side of your mouth open, like this. Just a small hole, like very small. Now, sing. Ha 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 ha. But instead of singing like that, singing ta 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 ta, like saying the word ta. Now just combine them together and you're gonna get ta 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 ta. The trumpet. But of course it's not that easy, so it's gonna take a little bit of practice. So here's some tricks that gonna make it easier. When you sing ta ta ta, you're gonna make the lip vibrate a little bit like this. So the trumpet gonna sound like this. Very bouncy. And if you like this video, check out these two.